In this video, I'm gonna break down a stupid simple strategy that you can use to make your first $10,000 as a TikTok Shop affiliate. And no, the title of this video was not clickbait. This strategy can work even if you've never made a single affiliate commission in your entire life. This is actually one of the methods that I've used to make well over $1 million in profit on TikTok. And some of my coaching students are doing $20,000 to $30,000 a month with this consistently. So don't skip through this video, because if you do, I promise you'll end up having to come back and rewatch the entire thing again, trying to figure out what you missed. Now, here is the strategy that I'm talking about. It's remaking viral videos. You've probably heard people say things like, just do what's already working or just copy what's already going viral. But to tell you the truth, most people do this completely wrong. They remake videos with no strategy. They pick bad products. They post once, don't get views, and then they quit. And that is not what we're doing here. Today, I'm gonna walk you through the real strategy that works, how to find videos worth remaking, how to remake them the right way, and how to give yourself the best shot at going viral. But first, if some of you are thinking that maybe you need to be like some big influencer or have a huge following in order to make this strategy work, let me show you something. So this girl right here made this video promoting this bra on TikTok Shop. Then these other girls basically copied the video, all promoting the same exact product. And you can see up here on the top left, all of their videos are going viral. Same thing right here. This guy made this video. It got over 21 million views, which is insane. And then this kid, Naf, who's actually in my coaching program, remade the same video and got over 700,000 views in 2 weeks. Now, here's the thing. These are regular people just like you and me, remaking the same viral videos and getting paid for it. So if they can do it, I promise you can do it too. Now, before I break down my exact strategy, let me show you the tool that I'm using that actually makes all of this a lot easier, especially if you're a beginner. It's called Trendins. And honestly, I really wish that something like this had existed when I first started, because here's the problem. When you're on TikTok, for example, looking for viral videos to copy, it doesn't personalize anything for you. You just get dumped into this like random feed and you're supposed to figure it all out. And with other TikTok Shop tools, it's the same exact problem. They might show you what's trending, but they don't show you what you should be posting. And if you don't have a ton of experience doing this, if you're a beginner, I'm telling you right now, that just won't work for you. Now, Trendin, on the other hand, changes all of that, but let me explain. So when you sign up, it's gonna ask you a few quick questions about your gender, the language you speak, your exact content style, and the kinds of products that you promote. And then it's honestly kind of like magic. You land on this For You tab right here, where it builds a custom curated feed of viral TikTok Shop videos that you would actually remake yourself. Like all of these videos that I'm seeing right here match my exact style, and it updates daily, so you're always seeing fresh new videos. So if you don't have a ton of free time like me, just open up the website, or you can use it on your phone, and you'll see all of these videos that you can remake in one place. And if you ever want to like pivot to a new style or change what you're seeing on the For You tab right here, just come up to your settings, click on preferences, and then you can adjust everything on this page right here. Now, let me show you by far what my favorite part about this tool is. So in the trending tab right here, you get access to this massive library of top performing TikTok Shop videos, not just the videos that match your style. But here is where it gets really crazy. So if you come up to the filters on the top right, it has a bunch of advanced filters, but one in particular that not a single other tool on the market has right now, which is content style. So you can literally filter between face in, faceless, skits, text and sound, and conspiracy videos. So let's say, for example, you wanted to find videos posted within the last 7 days promoting beauty and skincare products made by women, speaking English, made in the content style of face in. Just click apply, and it's literally done in seconds. So now you don't have to scroll through random videos for 40 minutes to actually find what you need. And I'm telling you right now, if you use this tool the right way, it's gonna change the game for you, because Trendin makes going viral easier and it saves you time. And I'm pretty sure you can even use it for free right now. So if you want to take a look at it, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. And now that you know where you should be finding these videos, let's break down the main part of this strategy, which is the 4 keys to finding a video worth remaking. Now, for number 1, there has to be a very clear reason why the original video actually went viral. So was it the hook? Was it the editing? Was it the product? You need to make sure that you can spot it, because if you can't, I promise you're gonna end up wasting time and money on products for videos videos that probably are not gonna go viral again. So let's head back to trending and I'll show you a quick example of this. And I found this video earlier, so I want to open this video up in TikTok so I can look through the comments. So what I'm gonna do is go down to the bottom right here, click on the three dots and then click open original. Now that is gonna open his TikTok video. So let's watch a few seconds of this and we'll see what he's talking about here.
Company that goes by the name of Acker just literally dropped the best rangefinder I think I've ever owned. I have a couple different ones off of
So that's it right there. It's the way that he mispronounced the name of whoever sells this rangefinder. And if we scroll down a little bit to the comments, it's pretty easy to confirm that. The Ack of Spades, it's pronounced Acer, and that's why I mentioned that comments help. So if you're ever wondering why a video actually went viral, just take a look at the comments and I bet you'll be able to figure it out. Now for key number 2, when you're looking for a video worth remaking, I want you to keep in mind the conversion rate. Because remember, you could get 10 million views on one of your videos, which is cool, but it doesn't really matter if you're not getting paid for it. Now I'm gonna show you kind of a hack here that not a lot of people know about, but this is how you can get a good idea of whether or not videos are actually converting. So to do this, you're gonna need a TikTok Shop Seller Center. If you want a tutorial on how to set this up, if you go to my YouTube channel and go all the way back to the very first video that I posted, I walk you through this entire process step by step. Now, once you log into your Seller Center, you're gonna come over to the left here, click on Affiliate, click on Go to Open Collaboration, then back on the left side, click Find Creators. And this is where you can kind of spy on creators to see what kind of sales they're really generating. Now, the cool thing about doing it this way is the numbers that you're seeing here are actually accurate. Now, let's say you're on Trending and you're looking for viral videos to recreate and you found this framework right here. Judging by the views here, he's obviously doing pretty well, but let's find out if he's actually making money from these. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take his username, which is right here, go back into the Affiliate Center and paste that in, click on his account, and you can actually see a lot of data on this page, but what we're looking for is down here. So we know that all those videos that we just watched were posted within the last 14 days. So nearly $3,000 in GMV on this day, $3,500 on this day, $3,700 here. And if we switch this to items sold, we'll see on his best day in the last month, he sold about 120 products. Let's say his average commission per product is maybe $3. That means that he would have made about 360 bucks in profit. Now, moving on to number 3, you're gonna want to focus on videos that were posted recently. And this is a simple one, but this is why it's so important. Because let's say, for example, you found a viral video from 2 months ago and you decided to remake it. Chances are it's not gonna go that well because at that point, it's probably oversaturated. And you have way more competition because the video's been out for so long and there are probably hundreds of other affiliates that have remade the exact same video. Now for key number 4, and this is a big one, you're looking for repeated success. Now let's head back to Trending and I'll show you a really good example of this. So let's say you found this video right here and you're thinking about remaking it because it has over 21 million views. Just click the 3 dots on the bottom right, click Open Creator to go to his profile. So you'll see up here that he has the exact same video pinned twice with over 30 million views. But if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see that he's posting a lot of these, literally the exact same videos. And on top of that, most of them are getting really solid views. For example, 4 million views right here, 100K, 100K, 500K. He's just posting the same video over and over and over. And that is the repeated success that we're looking for. And when you see this on someone's profile, this is absolutely the best indicator that you should remake this same video. Because when someone is doing this, it means that most likely their videos are generating sales and they have a repeatable formula, which is what you need to go viral. Really quickly here, if you're finding value in this video or if I've taught you something that you didn't already know, hit the like button for me or drop a comment because I really honestly want to know what you think about this video. Now at this point, you know almost everything there is to know, but there's one last tip, one final piece of the puzzle that can change everything for you. And this is the secret. When you find a viral video that you're gonna remake, don't post that video once, don't post it twice, post it 3 to 5 times. Now, why should you do that? It's because the TikTok algorithm cannot be trusted. Sometimes the TikTok algorithm is just weird, and when you post an awesome video, the first batch of 300 or so people that TikTok shows your video to might not be your target audience, and for that reason, they won't engage with the video, which makes TikTok think that people don't like your video, and after that, they just won't push it out anymore. And this actually happened to me just the other week. I made a video, posted it to one of my accounts, and in 2 days, it stopped growing at just about 1,000 views. So what I did was I remade the exact same video and reposted it, and in 2 days, days, that video got just about 200,000 views. And it wasn't luck, it was just giving the algorithm more chances to pick it up. So don't be afraid to repeat yourself. Reposting is a smart move, and I promise you the top affiliates understand that. Now here's the sad truth about all of this. Most people watching this video won't take action. Some will be lazy and never even try, and then others might post once, twice, or maybe even 3 times, but when they don't see overnight success, they'll give up completely. So it's up to you whether or not you're gonna be that person, because you now have the strategy, you have the tools, all that's left is for you to stay consistent. And I promise, if you do, you'll be on track to hit 5 or even 6-figure months on TikTok Shop. And that's about it for this video. Again, if you wanna try Trendin for completely free, or if you wanna work with me personally one-on-one, just check the description below. And if you liked this video, you might like this one where I broke down exactly how I made about $50,000 from one TikTok video.